Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install xampp in your PC. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, you have to go to the browser and go for the xampp and search it on the browser. And here you will find apachefriends.org. So go to the link, and here you will find a section called download. So click here and you will come to this page. And this is the latest version. So I'll suggest you to go with the latest version. So just click here download and it will virtually start downloading. I already downloaded this in my PC. Here you can see xampp. So I'm going to now install it. So to install it, you can double click on it. Here we'll find warning. So ignore this warning. This is not a big issue. And now we'll click here next, then next, and now by default, it will actually go for the C drive. Here you can see, your Windows installation drive. Now, in your case, if you want to install it in different drive, you can actually do this. Because let's say you are doing PHP project, so you have to actually keep all those projects inside xampp folder, right? htdocs folder. And that time, let's say you don't want to actually keep it inside C drive. Your drive has low space. So what you have to do, you have to actually select the different drive. Let's say I want to install it in different drive. So I'm going to go to this PC, and here you can see I have 3 drive. So I'll go with the webtech drive, W drive. I'll select it, and here we just have to say that xampp, xampp. That's it. Now I'll go for the next, then next, then next. Here you can see it start installing. So we have to wait for this. So we have successfully installed it. Here you can see. Do you want to start the control panel? So we'll actually click here finish. And here is the control panel. Now this Apache server will actually help us to run a server in our PC, so that we can actually run server-side scripting language project from our PC. Okay, and then it will actually provide also MySQL server, so that we can actually create database and we can actually work with MySQL database. Okay, that's it. So basically what you have to do, you have to actually click here start, and then you have to actually start these both servers. Okay, now I'm going to show you the directories. So let's go to the drive webtech, and here we have installed it, right? So this is the xampp folder, and if you click here in this arrow sign, in the name, here you will find xampp controller. So you can actually open from here also, and here you can actually click here to uninstall it. Okay, if you need to uninstall it. Okay, that's it. And here you will find folder called htdocs. So this is the main folder, and here you can see we have a bunch of different files here, right? So we are going to delete all of them basically, and inside this htdocs you need to actually create a server-side scripting project. Let's say you have a PHP project, so you have to actually keep it inside htdocs. And these folders or project will act as these folders will act as a project. Let's say I want to create a new folder here, and I will say here test PHP. So now this test PHP will be a project. Now you have successfully installed xampp in your PC. It means now you can access PHP. So go for the command prompt, and here if you say php-v, here you can see PHP is not recognized. So this has happened because we haven't select PHP as global. So we have to select PHP as global. So to select this, you have to go for the env, edit environment variables. Here you can see, click here open, and click here environment variables, and select path under system variables. Okay, then click here edit, and here we are going to add the environment variable. So to add this PHP as a global, we have to actually go for the xampp. Okay, xampp, then PHP folder. So go for the PHP folder. Here you can see, and here you have to go for the php.exe. So this is the PHP, and if you want to see the extension, you can click here in the view, then show, then file name extensions. Here you go. So it means we have php.exe in this folder, right? So we are going to actually copy this path. So we are going to select the address bar, and we are going to copy the path, and we are going to go to the edit environment variable, and here we are going to create the new path. That's it. Now we'll click OK, then OK. Fine. Now if we want to access PHP from anywhere in our PC, we can actually do this. Go to the command prompt, and here we have to say php-v, and here we go. We got the PHP version, right? It means we can access PHP from anywhere in our PC. So that's it, guys. I have shown you how you can actually install xampp in your PC, and how you can set PHP as globally. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.